Agmas, from Espre Technologies, powered by NvisiLink, creates a virtual shelter to evacuate individuals safely that find themselves in the line of fire in mass shooting scenarios. With our echolocation router, dongle, and app, shooter locations can be pinpointed within fractions of a second, while those in the line of fire are efficiently directed into safe zones. Imagine an armed gunman enters a high school, engages a group of students, and fires upon the first of his intended targets. Agmas immediately activates upon hearing the gunfire using AI sound recognition technology trained from databases of previously captured weapons sound files. Agmas dongles attached to smartphones begin simultaneously transmitting, flooding the area with NvisiLink Safety On software SOS messaging beacons. These SOS beacons are used to create a real-time virtual shelter and evacuation plan by forwarding participating smartphone GPS data and relative ranging between all activated Agmas devices, both fixed or dongles in the area. Our patent-pending echolocation router coalesces these radio waves in a virtual digital map with the shooter and students' locations overlaid on the school's floor plan to provide critical on-the-ground information to law enforcement personnel equipped with the Agmas First Responder app on their cell phones. Subscribers on the Agmas database will also receive position data of the location of shots fired to assist them in keeping a safe distance. Concurrently, Agmas analyzes incoming SOS beacon information to determine which smartphones are in the closest proximity to the gunfire. This analysis could potentially aid in determining, at best, the identity of the shooter and at least potential victims or witness identities. Because of Agmas's ability to communicate real-time, at-the-scene information via two-way transmission, Agmas can electronically direct innocent bystanders to sectors that have been searched, secured, and found to be safe as a holdover location until the situation is completely under control. Agmas, built for the battlefield, reimagined for everyone else.